Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub. What if you could build a fully custom WordPress website, design, copy, plugins, SEO, without touching a single line of code yourself? In 2026, that's not a flex. That's just Tuesday. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Claude AI to build WordPress sites from scratch, faster than ever before. We're talking theme customization, writing all the page content, generating custom CSS, setting up plugins, or the whole thing. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to get online without paying a developer, $3,000. This video is for you. Let's get into it. Build a WordPress website with Claude AI in 2026. Before we dive in, hit subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. I post every week. Okay, let's build. Section 1, the game plan. Here's what we're building today. A professional service website for a fictional brand called Luminary Studio, a photography business. But this exact process works for any niche, restaurants, consultants, e-commerce, you name it. Here's our workflow. Set up WordPress hosting and install WordPress. Use Claude to write all the content for every page. Install a theme and let Claude generate custom CSS to match our brand. Ask Claude to recommend and configure the right plugins. Use Claude to write our SEO meta descriptions and titles. By the end, we'll have a real live website. Let's go. Section 2, getting WordPress set up. First things first, you need hosting. I'm using Hostinger SiteGround today because in 2026, they still have the best one-click WordPress install and the price is unbeatable for beginners. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this step because there are 100 videos about it. I'll link one in the description. The quick version. Buy a hosting plan. Go to your control panel. Click Install WordPress. Set your admin username and password. Done. Shows clicking through setup. Okay, WordPress is installed. Now here's where Claude comes in. Section 3. Using Claude to plan your website. Screen Claude AI chat interface. Open Claude at Claude.ai. I'm using Claude Sonnet 4.6 today. It's fast, smart, and perfect for this kind of work. Step 1. Build your site brief. Here's the exact prompt I use when starting any website project. Show typing into Claude. I'm building a WordPress website for a photography studio called Luminary Studio. They specialize in portrait and commercial photography in Austin, Texas. Their target audience is small businesses and families. I need you to act as a web strategist and help me plan the full website. Start by listing the pages I need, a suggested navigation structure, and a one-sentence purpose for each page. Look at that. In seconds, Claude gives us a complete site map. Home. About. Services with sub-pages. Portfolio. Blog. Contact. This would take a junior web designer an hour to write up. Claude did it in 10 seconds. Pro tip, save this response. This is your project brief. Every decision we make from here will reference it. Section 4, writing all your page content with Claude. Now we write the actual copy, every word that goes on the website. This is where most people waste days. Claude makes it take minutes. Homepage copy is, here's my prompt. Write the homepage copy for Luminary Studio Photography. Include a hero headline and sub-headline, a 3-point value proposition section, a short about teaser paragraph, a testimonial section with 3 fictional but realistic client quotes, and a strong call to action. Tone, warm, professional, creative. Keep it concise. Each section should be punchy. Show Claude's output. Boom. Full homepage copy. Headlines, subheads, testimonials, CTA, everything. Now let's do the about page. Now write the About page for Luminary Studio. Include a founder story. The founder is named Maya Chen, started the business in 2019, the studio's values, and a team section with 3 fictional team members. Keep it authentic and human, not corporate. See how fast this goes? You just repeat this for every page. Services, contact, FAQ, Claude writes it all. Important. Always read and edit Claude's output. It's a first draft, not a final draft. Your job is to refine it, make it sound like you, and add real details only you know. Section 5. Choosing a theme and customizing with Claude. Now let's make it look good. In 2026, I recommend one of 3 free themes for beginners. Astra, lightweight, fast, endlessly customizable. Cadence, great block editor integration. GeneratePress, minimal and developer-friendly. I'm going with Astra today. Install it, activate it, done. Now here's the magic. Let's ask Claude to give us a custom color palette and CSS. I'm using the Astra WordPress theme for Luminary Studio Photography. Our brand is elegant, warm, and modern. Suggest a color palette, 5 hex codes with names and use cases, and write custom CSS I can paste into WordPress, Customizer, additional CSS, to style the fonts and button colors to match this brand. Claude just gave us a full color palette, primary, secondary, accent, background, text. Ready to paste CSS for buttons, headings, and links. Let me paste that into WordPress now. See how that changed immediately? The buttons are now that warm amber color. The headings have that elegant feel. This used to take hours of trial and error. Claude got us 80% there in one prompt. Section 6, Plugin Recommendations from Claude. Plugins can make or break a WordPress site. Too many slow. Wrong ones, security risk. Let's ask Claude to be our plugin advisor. I'm building a photography portfolio and services website on WordPress using the Astra theme. What are the 6 essential plugins I need in 2026? For each one, tell me what it does, why I need it, and any important settings to configure after installing. Show Claude's response. Example plugins. Claude recommends Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Rocket for page speed and caching, WordFence for security, Smush and for image compression, crucial for a photo site, DOP Forms Lite for the contact form, Updraft Plus for automated backups. And for each one, Claude explains exactly what settings to turn on first. This is like having a WordPress consultant on call 24/7. Section 7, SEO with Claude. Last step, SEO. Every page needs a meta title and meta description. Here's how I batch create them with Claude. Write SEO meta titles and meta descriptions for these pages of Luminary Studio's website: Home, About, Services, Portfolio, Contact. Each meta title should be under 60 characters. Each meta description should be under 155 characters and include a call to action. Target keyword for each: Austin Photography Studio. Claude gives us optimized, ready-to-paste SEO copy for every page. I just copy each one into the Yoast SEO field in WordPress. Done! And that's it. A fully planned, fully written, beautifully designed WordPress website, built with Claude AI. Let's recap what we did. Planned the entire site structure with Claude. Wrote every page's content with targeted prompts. Got a custom brand palette and CSS generated for us. Got expert plugin recommendations. Wrote all our SEO metadata. The number 1 tip I'd leave you with: Claude is a collaborator, not a button. The better your prompts, the better your output. Give it context, your brand name, your audience, your tone. The more specific you are, the more it feels like your website. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub for more AI plus web tutorials every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.